Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna start we will be doing the same thing, unboxing these Pokemon packs. And for the giveaway, we will still be finding the winner, because some of you are not being active. So yeah, and yeah, let's start. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will never miss a video. And let's get started. So today we will be unboxing these Pokemon cards. Well, let's unbox this Charizard and Reshiram Pokemon pack first. Ooh, a Venonat. So for our first pack, we got a Venonat, a Rhyhorn. Wait, it's a Rhydon. Yeah, it's a Rhydon, Litten, Energies, and for our rare, it's a Wigglytuff and some Jigglypuff. These two are called Jigglypuff, and this big one is the evolution. So basically, it's called Wigglytuff. Yeah. So we got nothing. Now let's open this second pack. We'll just use scissors. Wait, scissors. Okay, so we're gonna continue recording, and I found my scissors. So okay, let's go. Oh, nice! We got an Eevee. We got a, I forgot what it's called, but it's quite awesome. We got a something. Ooh, we got a Tyranitar GX. This is pretty hard to find. This is going into my collection. And we got a concentration belt. This is where you need to focus in a battle. Wow, this is a pretty good pull. And this is the final pack. Wow. From last time, the second pack is always getting the best. I wish the third one is also best. Okay, it's a Bellsprout, Inkling, Froakie. I forgot it. He's a ninja trainer, and Lickitung. Okay, so that's what we got today, and our rare is the Tyranitar. Well, yeah. At least we got a Tyranitar. It's awesome. Okay, this is the packs that we opened. Okay, so that's what we got today. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. But don't forget to subscribe my uncle slash my auntie, and also follow my Instagram account. Well, yeah. Thank you. Hey guys, just to remind you, please subscribe my auntie. Also like her videos. Also watch her videos, and also to remind you, also to follow my Instagram account. Also like my posts, and yeah, that's probably it. So I'll just gonna stop this video and see you in the next video. Bye.